Imagine waking up each day feeling like you're stuck, like life is just repeating itself. Maybe you've been working hard, but nothing seems to change. You're not alone. Most of us have felt this way. But what if there was a way to flip that feeling on its head? What if you could wake up and feel excited, with the power to shape your life into exactly what you want? In Change Your Paradigm, Change Your Life, by Bob Proctor, he shares how changing just a few of our core beliefs or paradigms can open up a whole new world of possibilities. Proctor has spent years helping people unlock their potential, and he says it all starts in the mind. With simple, actionable steps, he shows us how to break free from old habits and limiting beliefs. If you're ready to take charge of your future and make real changes, you're in the right place. Just hit the bell button, like and subscribe to Book Ginger so you never miss out on more life-changing book insights. Now let's dive into the key lessons from this powerful book. The first lesson says, paradigms shape our reality. Picture this. You're wearing glasses with a green tint. Everything you see has a green shade, and you think that's just how the world looks. But when you take the glasses off, you see the real colors around you. Bob Proctor explains that our paradigms are like those glasses. They shape everything we think, do, and believe. For example, a person who always says, "I'm just not good at math." This belief, or paradigm, affects how they approach every math problem, often making them give up before they even try. But when they start seeing math as something they can learn, they begin to improve. You can start by taking notice of the glasses you're wearing. Are they helping or holding you back? If there's a belief like, "I can't do this," try changing it to, "I'm learning to get better." Next, you have the power to change. We're not fixed in stone. Proctor says we have the power to change our stories. Often we let our situations control how we think and act, but Proctor reminds us that we can change our thoughts anytime. Knowing we have this choice can make a big difference. Imagine a ship stuck in one direction because its rudder is locked. If we unlock it, the ship can move anywhere we want. Our minds work the same way. Let's say someone has been working the same job for years but feels unfulfilled. By believing they can change their career path, they might start taking classes or learning new skills, eventually landing a job they love. Remember, every big change starts with small steps. Next, confidence fuels change. Nothing can truly change if we don't believe in our ability to make it happen. Building confidence takes practice, but it's key to reshaping our paradigms. Small successes build up over time, and each step forward adds to our belief in ourselves. Bob say that if you want to change, you need confidence. It's like learning to ride a bike. You might fall a few times, but with practice, you gain the balance you need. Confidence is what keeps you going, even when things get tough. Imagine a person who wants to start their own business, but doesn't think they can do it. By setting small goals like creating a business plan or saving money, they slowly build confidence. Each step makes them believe a little more in their ability. The fourth lesson says, reset your mental thermostat. Our minds work like a thermostat, which keeps us stuck in old habits unless we adjust it. Bob explains that if you believe you're average, you'll keep finding reasons to stay average. But by purposely changing your mental set point, you can reach new goals and better outcomes. Think of an athlete who always places last in competitions. By visualizing themselves winning and practicing daily, they reset their mental thermostat to believe they can be a champion. This brings us to the next lesson. Challenge limiting beliefs. Our beliefs are like software running in the background. They shape how we think and act without us noticing. Bob says we often inherit beliefs from others, like parents or society, but we can question and change them if they don't help us. Take, for instance, someone who grew up believing, "I'll never be wealthy because no one in my family is." If they challenge this belief and start thinking, "I can build wealth," they open up to new ways of saving, investing, or learning about money. Align your paradigm with your goals. High performance starts from within, and to reach your goals, your beliefs need to match what you want to achieve. Bob explains that when we believe in our goals and align our mindset, we unlock our potential to do our best work. An example is someone who wants to be fit but believes, "I'm not a sporty person." This belief stops them from trying new exercises. But when they start seeing themselves as someone who can be fit, they become more consistent with their workouts and make progress. Here's another key lesson to note. Be grateful. Gratitude unlocks freedom. Bob shares that gratitude can shift our whole outlook on life. When we focus on what we're thankful for, we stop feeling limited by what we don't have. This sense of abundance creates freedom and invites even more good things into our lives. Example is someone who's always focused on their struggles. They might feel stuck and unhappy, but when they start a gratitude habit, like writing 3 things they're thankful for each day, they feel lighter, happier, and more optimistic about their future. Here's a quick one. Take a break and write down a few things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Even, "I had a nice cup of coffee" works. Over time, this habit will lift your mood and shift your perspective. And finally, make your new paradigm a habit. Change doesn't last unless it becomes a habit. Proctor's final message is about consistency, practicing our new paradigms daily until they become second nature. It's about creating a mindset that supports long-term growth and fulfillment. Changing a paradigm isn't just a one-time thing. It needs to become a habit. Bob encourages us to practice our new beliefs daily until they're a natural part of who we are. Just like learning a new language, repetition makes it stick. For instance, someone who's shy and wants to be more outgoing. If they make an effort to speak up a little every day, it becomes easier over time. Soon, being social feels natural to them. Now that you have seen the lessons from Change Your Paradigm, Change Your Life, here's a quick guide to making these lessons part of your daily routine. Each step is simple and easy to apply, helping you turn new thoughts into habits that actually change things. The first step is notice your thoughts. Spend a few minutes each morning thinking about your usual beliefs and habits. Ask, is this helping me or holding me back? Recognizing these thoughts is the first step to changing them. Next, pick one positive belief you want to add, like, "I am capable of success." Write it down, say it out loud, and remind yourself of it whenever you feel doubt creeping in. Every day, do one small thing that supports your new belief. For example, if your goal is to save money, start by setting aside a small amount daily. Small steps build momentum. Set one small, achievable goal each day and celebrate it when you complete it. This could be anything from completing a task to reading for 10 minutes. Little wins add up over time. Step 5. Visualize your goals. Take 5 minutes to picture yourself reaching your goals. Imagine how you'll feel and act once you achieve them. Visualization helps to reset your mental thermostat to match your goals. Then practice gratitude. List 3 things you're grateful for each night. This habit helps shift your focus to what's good in your life, creating a positive mindset over time. Now you have to keep practicing these new thoughts and habits daily. Repetition makes them stick, turning them into your new, natural way of thinking. At the end of each week, look back on your progress. Celebrate any small wins and make adjustments if needed. This keeps you motivated and on track. These steps might be simple, but if you stick with them, you'll start to see positive changes. Make them part of your routine and watch as new doors start to open. In conclusion, change your paradigm. Change your life isn't just about changing one thought. It's about building a life that aligns with your highest potential. By shifting even a single belief, we can see changes in every part of our lives. So remember, it all starts with one small step. If you're ready to make that shift, start with one simple thought today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more insights from life-changing books.